Ladies and gentlemen, there's a moment in life when the tables turn, when those who doubted you, overlooked you, or even walked away suddenly see you in a whole new light. They will cry and beg to be with you, not because you sought revenge, but because you transformed yourself into someone unstoppable. But let's be clear, this isn't about them. This is about you. This is about waking up every day with a fire in your soul, knowing you're building a life so extraordinary that it's magnetic. People are drawn to strength, confidence, and success. When you step into your true potential, you no longer chase, you attract. The key is to stop waiting for validation from others. You've got to become so deeply committed to your own growth, to your vision, that nothing can shake you. That's when you'll notice the power shift. People will want what you have, and they'll fight to be part of your story. But remember, this isn't the time to look back or let the noise distract you. Stay focused, stay hungry, and stay humble. You're building a legacy, not for applause, but because you owe it to yourself to live a life of purpose, passion, and power. The journey to transforming yourself is not about seeking revenge or gaining validation from others. It's about creating a life so fulfilling and meaningful that external approval becomes irrelevant. When you decide to focus on your growth, you begin to realize that the most important relationship you'll ever have is the one you cultivate with yourself. Too often, people live their lives trying to please others or prove their worth to those who doubted them. But chasing validation from others is a never-ending cycle that leads to disappointment and self-doubt. True transformation happens when you shift your focus inward, prioritizing your personal development over the opinions and judgments of others. When you commit to becoming the best version of yourself, you start to see the world differently. Challenges that once seemed insurmountable become opportunities for growth. Criticism no longer stings because you understand that your value isn't tied to someone else's perception of you. You begin to measure success by your own standards, not by what others think or expect. This internal shift is powerful because it places the control back in your hands. You're no longer a passenger in your life reacting to what happens around you. You're the driver intentionally steering toward your goals and dreams. This journey requires a deep commitment to self-awareness and self-discipline. It's about recognizing the habits, beliefs, and patterns that have held you back and choosing to replace them with ones that propel you forward. It's not an easy process. Growth often comes with discomfort, setbacks, and moments of doubt. But it's in these moments that you prove to yourself just how resilient and capable you are. Every small step you take toward becoming stronger, wiser, and more aligned with your purpose builds the foundation of a life that inspires and attracts others. As you grow, you'll notice a profound change in the way people perceive you. The confidence you develop through hard work and self-belief radiates outward, making you magnetic. People will be drawn to your energy, not because you're seeking their approval, but because you become someone worth noticing. The irony is that the more you focus on yourself and let go of the need to impress others, the more they'll want to be around you. They'll see in you what they wish they could cultivate in themselves: confidence, purpose, and authenticity. But this transformation isn't about them, it's about you. It's about waking up every day with a sense of pride in who you are and what you're building. It's about living a life that reflects your values and aspirations. When you focus on your growth, the approval you once sought from others pales in comparison to the fulfillment you feel from living authentically. And when others take notice, it's simply a byproduct of the incredible work you've done on yourself. You've proven that the only validation you ever needed was your own, and in doing so, you've unlocked a level of freedom and fulfillment that's truly priceless. Confidence and self-assurance are the foundation of success, and they stem from within. When you cultivate unshakable confidence, you unlock a magnetic energy that draws people and opportunities to you. True confidence isn't about arrogance or pretending to be someone you're not. It's about fully embracing who you are, owning your strengths, and acknowledging your areas for growth without shame. This internal belief in yourself creates a ripple effect, influencing how others perceive and respond to you. Building confidence begins with action. Many people wait until they feel ready before taking a leap. But the truth is, confidence comes from doing. Each time you step outside your comfort zone and face a challenge, you prove to yourself that you're capable of more than you imagined. These small victories accumulate over time, reinforcing your self-belief and preparing you for bigger opportunities. Confidence is like a muscle. The more you exercise it, the stronger it becomes. Another key aspect of cultivating unshakable confidence is silencing the inner critic. We all have that voice in our heads that questions our abilities and magnifies our failures. The way to overcome it is by challenging those thoughts and replacing them with empowering beliefs. Remind yourself of your past successes, the skills you've developed, and the obstacles you've overcome. Confidence isn't about never doubting yourself, it's about trusting that you have the resilience to handle whatever comes your way, even when doubts arise. Surrounding yourself with positive influences also plays a critical role in building confidence. When you spend time with people who uplift and encourage you, their energy becomes contagious. They remind you of your potential and push you to aim higher. Conversely, distancing yourself from negativity, whether it comes from people, situations, or your own mindset, allows you to focus on your growth without unnecessary distractions. The company you keep directly impacts your confidence, so choose wisely. True confidence also requires authenticity. Pretending to be someone you're not is exhausting and ultimately unsustainable. When you show up as your genuine self, flaws and all, you demonstrate courage and self-acceptance. People respect authenticity because it's rare and refreshing. Being authentic doesn't mean you'll never face criticism, but it does mean that criticism won't derail you. When you're rooted in who you are, external opinions lose their power to shake your confidence. As your confidence grows, you'll notice a shift in how the world responds to you. Opportunities that once seemed out of reach will start to come your way. People will be drawn to your energy because confidence is magnetic and inspires trust and admiration. But the most important outcome of cultivating confidence isn't external validation. It's the freedom to live life on your terms. When you believe in yourself, you stop waiting for permission to pursue your dreams. You realize that you are capable, deserving, and unstoppable. Confidence doesn't just change how others see you, it transforms how you see yourself, empowering you to create a life filled with purpose, passion, and fulfillment. When you stop chasing and start attracting, you tap into a fundamental shift in how life unfolds. Chasing is rooted in a mindset of lack and desperation, constantly pursuing people, opportunities, or validation from a place of scarcity. Attraction, on the other hand, is about abundance. It's about aligning yourself with your goals and letting your energy draw what you deserve into your life. The moment you stop chasing is the moment you realize your worth and begin to prioritize becoming the kind of person who naturally attracts success, relationships, and fulfillment. The key to attracting lies in focusing on your internal state rather than external outcomes. Chasing often stems from the fear of missing out or the need to prove yourself to others. It's exhausting, unfulfilling, and ultimately counterproductive. When you're chasing, you're signaling to the world that you believe you're incomplete without the thing you're pursuing. But when you focus on becoming whole within yourself, you create a powerful magnetism. You begin to attract situations and people that align with your energy and values. This shift starts with clarity. You can't attract what you want if you don't know what that is. Take time to reflect on your goals and the kind of life you want to live. Is it financial success? Deep, meaningful relationships? A fulfilling career? Be specific about your desires, but don't become attached to the exact path they take to manifest. Attraction isn't about controlling every detail, it's about setting an intention and trusting the process. Once you've defined your vision, the next step is action. Attraction doesn't mean sitting back and waiting for things to happen. It means actively aligning your behavior with your goals. If you want to attract health, start adopting habits that reflect that desire. If you want success, cultivate discipline and resilience. Attraction works because your actions reinforce your beliefs. As you embody the qualities you seek, you send a clear message to the universe and to yourself that you're ready for more. Equally important is detachment from outcomes. When you're chasing, every setback feels like a personal failure. But when you're focused on attraction, you understand that rejection and redirection are part of the process. You don't cling to people or opportunities that aren't meant for you because you trust that something better is coming. This mindset not only protects your peace, but also keeps your energy open to possibilities you might not have considered. Over time, you'll notice that as you invest in yourself, your growth, your passions, and your well-being, people and opportunities start coming to you naturally. You won't need to prove your worth because it will already be evident in how you carry yourself in the life you're building. This is the essence of attraction, becoming so aligned with your purpose that everything you desire flows to you effortlessly. When you stop chasing, you reclaim your power, and that's when the real magic happens. Staying focused and purpose-driven is the cornerstone of achieving meaningful success. In a world full of distractions, it's easy to lose sight of your goals and become entangled in activities or relationships that don't serve your vision. But when you commit to a purpose greater than yourself, you create a clear path to follow, one that inspires discipline, resilience, and unwavering focus. Purpose gives meaning to your efforts, while focus ensures that your energy is directed where it matters most. Together, they form a powerful combination that propels you toward your aspirations. Purpose begins with understanding your why. Why are you pursuing a particular goal? What impact do you want to have on your life and the lives of others? When your purpose is clear, it becomes your North Star, a guiding light that helps you navigate challenges and make decisions with clarity. Without a purpose, it's easy to become reactive, letting external circumstances dictate your actions. But with purpose, you take control, aligning every choice with your greater vision. This alignment not only accelerates your progress, but also brings fulfillment because your efforts feel meaningful. Once your purpose is defined, focus becomes your greatest tool. Focus means saying no to distractions and prioritizing what truly matters. It's about recognizing that time and energy are finite resources and choosing to invest them wisely. Staying focused doesn't mean working endlessly, it means working intentionally. Every task you undertake should move you closer to your goals. This requires setting boundaries not just with others, but also with yourself. It's about eliminating habits, environments, and thought patterns that pull you away from your purpose. Distractions will always be present, whether they come in the form of social media, toxic relationships, or unnecessary tasks. The key to overcoming them lies in discipline. Discipline is the bridge between your purpose and your actions. It's what keeps you moving forward even when motivation wanes. By cultivating habits that support your goals, like planning your days, reflecting on your progress, and maintaining a positive mindset, you ensure that focus becomes second nature. Being purpose-driven also means staying adaptable. While your vision remains constant, the path to achieving it may require adjustments. Challenges and setbacks are inevitable, but when you're driven by purpose, they become opportunities to grow rather than reasons to quit. Your purpose reminds you of what's at stake, keeping you grounded and motivated to push through adversity. Staying focused during these times is critical because it prevents you from being derailed by temporary obstacles. Ultimately, staying purpose-driven and focused isn't just about achieving success, it's about creating a life that aligns with your values and aspirations. It's about building a legacy that reflects your deepest desires and makes a positive impact on the world. When you remain steadfast in your purpose and laser-focused on your goals, you become unstoppable. The distractions and noise of the world fade into the background, and all that remains is your vision and the determination to bring it to life. Success isn't just about the things you achieve, it's about becoming the kind of person who can achieve them consistently and with integrity. To truly transform your life, you must commit to personal evolution. This isn't a one-time event or a destination. It's a lifelong journey of growth, self-discovery, and refinement. The more you invest in becoming your best self, the more you'll realize that success is less about external rewards and more about who you are becoming in the process. Transformation begins with a deep, honest look at yourself. Where are you now? What habits, beliefs, or mindsets are holding you back? This level of self-awareness requires courage because it often reveals uncomfortable truths. But these truths are not there to discourage you. They are the starting points for growth. When you identify areas that need improvement, you gain clarity about what steps to take next. Growth isn't about perfection, it's about progress. Every step forward, no matter how small, moves you closer to becoming the person you aspire to be. This process of transformation also involves a relentless commitment to learning. The world is constantly evolving, and so must you. Whether it's through books, mentors, experiences, or challenges, each opportunity to learn is a chance to grow. When you approach life with curiosity and a willingness to adapt, you become someone who can navigate change with confidence and resilience. This adaptability not only makes you more capable, but also more attractive to opportunities and people who value growth. A significant part of personal evolution is embracing discomfort. Growth rarely happens in comfort zones. It's in the challenges, the failures, and the moments of uncertainty that you discover your true strength. Each time you push through discomfort, you expand your capacity to handle adversity. This resilience becomes a defining trait, one that allows you to face obstacles with courage and determination. Instead of avoiding challenges, you begin to see them as stepping stones to the life you want to create. Perhaps most importantly, personal transformation requires consistency. It's not enough to set goals or make plans. You must show up every day and do the work. This consistency builds momentum, and over time, small efforts compound into significant results. Consistency also builds trust in yourself. Each time you follow through on a commitment, you reinforce the belief that you are capable of achieving what you set out to do. This self-trust becomes the foundation for everything else in your life. As you grow and evolve, you'll notice a shift in how the world responds to you. People will admire your strength, your integrity, and your determination. They'll see in you what they aspire to cultivate in themselves. But the real reward isn't their recognition, it's the sense of pride and fulfillment that comes from knowing you're living authentically and intentionally. When you commit to personal transformation, you don't just change your circumstances, you change your entire approach to life. And in doing so, you create a future that aligns with your highest potential.